What's up, guys? Small town outdoors back here with another video. McCade got out here to this piece of property they can turkey hunt. He got one gobbling yesterday morning pretty good. He gobbled probably 50 times. We're in here for youth season. We brought Bubba. We just got back here on this high point where we thought he'd probably roost down here somewhere close to him. We're gonna try to hear him here in a minute. Y'all stay tuned.
Opening day. Oh, it's the late afternoon, as you can tell. But we had baseball this morning, so we couldn't make it happen. Didn't have enough time. We decided we'd back out, but we had 4 or 5 birds in here this morning firing off, so we'll come here and just try to roast one this afternoon and come back in the morning. Swing the camera to him. What you think?
This dude.
Little camera shot. Hopefully it doesn't miss, but here we go. Alright. Day 2 of youth opener. We come in here and roasted one last night. We heard him gobble twice before he flew up. And we woke up this morning and it was pouring, so we didn't get to come out this morning. But on the way back here from church, we had a bird gobbling and strutting in a field. So we think they're moving. So we're gonna get down in here, maybe make a setup or two. Alright, well, we were just coming out to head back to the house. And we got to looking on the road, and there's turkey tracks coming in behind us where we come in about an hour ago. We think he's headed up to this ridge, so we're finna try to set up on him. But we just come through here an hour ago. We're hoping he didn't see us, but we will see. Explain what we got going on here.
Well, we pulled up to our spot and they beat us there. And they beat us to our parking spot, actually. A whole bunch of hens. We did see a turkey though. We're seeing turkeys.
This is the most turkeys we've seen since the season's open. Oh, he's got something to say. Go ahead.
I said, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, what's them two in the
That's
back?
gobblers.
That's gobblers.
Hold on, get the camera, get the camera, get the
Yo,
camera.
get the reverse. You got the camera. Hit the reverse. Oh God. That's gobblers.
Oh my God. Let's go cut them off from the power line.
It's either gobblers or Jake.
Let's go.
Alright, we pulled into our spot. There were some hens out there. And sure enough, behind the hens, we think we're 2 gobblers. So, we got out the truck in a hurry. We're gonna try to get in front of them, but we'll see. Maybe we can cut them off. Alright, we got on that first group of birds. While we were trying to get in front of them, we found another group of birds. It's got a strutter out here in the field we were trying to get to. So we're trying to work around best we can. Stay tuned. Alright. Well, that bird this morning flew down and went the other way. And we are working to another one. We just got him to gobble. We're about to head out. And he fired off. So we're going to him now. It's 8:30, so he's gobbling pretty decent. So I'll try to get in there. See if I can get a little closer to him. Call at him louder. Call at him louder. Call louder too. We out in the cut over. We walked in. He gobbled over there. I gobbled over here. They gobbled everywhere. We'll get in the middle of the cut over, obviously. So one way in, one way out. Well, he come down the road behind us and seen us. And he ran back up to the top of the hill. And he kept gobbling on top of the hill. So we eased back up and we couldn't get out. And he's been hung up there for probably about an hour and a half now. So we're gonna back out.
Sitting there and gobbling.
Yeah, he's hammering in there. We gonna figure out a way out of here. We try to get around him, set up on the other side of him, see if he'll move. So. get him.
Go get him. Go get him.
Go get him. Double take Rick here. Woo. Good stuff, boys.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, look at the look on that on the gun. Look at the, oh my gosh.
Good stuff, dude. Good follow-up.
I was like, you better shoot him.
I was hoping he'd shoot him out there, but
Look at the hooks.
were you waiting for me to stand him up?
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
when he was out there, he was behind a
Look at
big.
the hooks on that.
Dang.
That's some hooks.
He was behind a big
That's some hooks.
vine.
That's some hooks. Oh my gosh.
I didn't have him in camera when you shot him. He was behind.
When that hen went over there, I thought she was just gonna go ahead and go too.
That's why I kept calling to her. Alright, well, we fought this joker all day. He done put us in the cutover. We done boogered him coming out of the cutover.
We hunted for 6 hours.
Yeah, we've been
12 o'clock.
It's 12 o'clock right now. We've been at it.
He been gobbling since off the limb.
We've hunted and hunted and hunted. We finally got him down here, and that hen probably helped us out a good bit. But two-shot wonder here. Just let him hit. He figured that first shot was just give him a fair chance, I reckon. And he finished up the job. But we finally got him. We're gonna head out, take some pictures, get some lunch, and
Oh my god.
I don't know. Y'all stay tuned for the next one, I reckon. We'll see y'all.